How to fix the Instagram repost option not showing. If you can't find the repost option on Instagram, this tutorial will walk you through a few simple fixes. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Next, open the Instagram app and try reposting a public post again. Keep in mind that the repost option is only available on eligible public posts, so it won't appear on private accounts or posts where reposting isn't allowed. If the option is still missing, restart the Instagram app by closing it completely and opening it again. You can also restart your phone and then check if the repost option appears. Next, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then open Settings and Activity. Scroll down and make sure your account doesn't have any restrictions or issues that could affect certain features. If you still don't see the repost option, it may not be available for your account yet. Instagram often rolls out new features gradually, so some users receive them before others. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.